Brad Williams, XL Prime, a little more text manipulation, and we're going to strip a first name or last name from a first name or member ID name. We're going to do a little creative manipulation here. Split and reverse last name from first. We're going to use this write function we're going to grab this last name and we're just going to place it right here. Using this write function, then we're going to use the left function to do the same thing, but here we're just going to grab the first name. Over here is our narrative, and I'm going to try to explain this the best I can. This one can get a little bit tricky because we have this write function and then we have all this, well, we're going to start from the right and then we're going to keep all this. Whatever this thing spits out from right to left, we're keeping. So what is all this stuff? What is the number of characters? Oh, we have a len function. Take a look. Here is len. We have 15. That's the length of this entire string. Go back. And then we have minus find. Minus find. This is saying find this comma. Then just take that, and we're still in B5, and subtract it. Let's take a look here. Find, keep in mind, where is the starting point? It's always left to right. Even though we have a write function in here, sometimes that gets us really screwed up here. So we have len. We have to start from the left and count the number of characters until we find this comma. That computes to find B5, then we're going to add 1 because we want to get rid of that comma. From there, all we're doing is starting it right. Once we have this B5, we have 15. We have this 7. We're going to go 15 minus 7, 8. Right is going to go text and then save 8 characters from right to left. 8 characters. How many is this particular? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty creative, yeah? You like that? And then the left, well, the left is really straightforward. We're going to go B5, then we're just going to use the same approach. We know it's what, 7 minus 1. We need to get rid of the comma. So left, here's our text, and we want to keep the number of characters. And how many characters is it? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we're going to get rid of that 1. We have this total number left, B5, find B5 minus 1. We're counting the comma, so that would be 6, and then minus 1. See here? You have find B5. If we get rid of this, we have 6, and then we get rid of the comma. That's it. That's a quick and simple explanation of combining the find, combining left and the right, and the different combinations within this text manipulation functionality. Over here, again, is the map. We have our map here in our anatomy. You know the drill. If I was not clear enough, then read the narrative. Otherwise, more to come. Brad Williams, XL Prime.